down now.
48 degrees. Usually we have a GoPro, but not today.
Look at my face, out of my face, bro. Can I look at that? Where's Milktruck?
Straight that way.
Getting up's gonna be a little sus.
Not actually that bad. Doing this without hands. Both hands dedicated to the camera. One for the light, one for the camera. A lot of bricks. This used to be the old Anchor Hospital. They tore it down a long time ago. Backfilled this whole cave with random debris. If you trip, you're gonna fucking die. So the city's efforts to keep people out of the so-called dangerous caves, they just made them more dangerous. Pretty soon this will be an open entrance. Please don't ask for entrance information. We'll not give it out. Same goes for all you new people. Please don't show your friends this spot unless you know they're chill. Close this vent off with the fucking lawnmower. Nice. Pull out unless you want kids. Without being able to dig this up, we won't really be able to know truly what year this milk truck is, but it is definitely a Divco. My guess is anywhere between 55 and 59. People ask, well, how do you know it's a milk truck? Well, someone ripped off half the label a long time ago. He used to say milk truck.
What's that?
Hello?
Oh, he's been in here recently. That wasn't here last time I was here.
Hello?
Yeah, they were in here a couple days ago.
How you want to start it?
That's okay.
You a tweaker?
Tweak?
Oh.
No, he's not a tweaker. It's just a tag he came with. That's a trailer. Another trailer filled with trash.
Is it a boat?
Milk truck. No, it's a trailer.
Oh, I see it now.
There's a lot more room in there than I expected there to be.
Yeah, it's we can all chill in there. We're about to. We're gonna smoke.
What are we gonna smoke, guys? Matt? Well, I think we all have different addictions here, Jaden, so we're gonna have issues.
How's it going? I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
No,
Why?
because I said so.
The lights must have been on.
Yeah, I'm getting footage of the whole cave. The caves. The calves.
Hi. How may I help you? I got some methamphetamine for sale.
No meth in my caves, please. Straight ahead is lineman.
Well, I must have gotten the wrong route here.
Oh yeah. These fucking caves are backfilled to fuck. Huh?
You want to go lineman?
I mean, why not? I mean, I'm in my shorts, so the crawl will suck.
Yeah, me too.
Alex, no, bro. Alex.
Are you chicken?
Yeah, I don't feel like I want to crawl through that.
Fucking chicken.
Jaden, has anyone ever told you look good on your hands and knees?
No.
Wow. That was gross.
Yeah, I know it was.
Hot. Ah, that was a rock.
Crawling without any of my hands.
Fuck that. I've never been here. I'm going in.
I've never been here.
Yeah. I haven't been here either.
Yeah, you're also a lot smaller than the two of us. Sandwich will go.
Would you like to save 15% or more on car insurance?
Wait a minute. Did you just say 15%?
I did. I said, would you like to save 15% or more on car insurance? Well, if you sign up with Geico today, we can save you 15% or more.
Wow, that's so fucking incredible!
Fuck yeah.
Just go to www.geico.com.